It may be that intelligence is rare in the cosmos, intelligence as we have defined it. Because if you look at the fossil record, look at the portfolio of life that has lived and thrived on Earth, there are a lot of features of life that many different species have in common. For example, locomotion is a pretty common talent. In fact, we have creatures on Earth with no arms and no legs, and they still manage to move. We call them snakes. So locomotion, they figured out how to move even though they don't have arms and legs. Trees haven't yet figured out how to move. But what we have is evidence of features in life that apparently are really good for survival. The capacity to receive information at a distance. That would be the smell, hearing, sight. Sight is a very common feature in animals. In fact, there are certain expressions of sight that happen independently of each other. That's how valuable this was as a tool for survival. The fly eye has nothing whatever in common with the vertebrate eye, itself having nothing whatever in common with the octopus eye. Yet they are all eyes and they all see. Let's look at intelligence. Intelligence, as we have defined it, has shown up nowhere in the fossil record, which tells me that intelligence can't be all that important for survival. Otherwise, it would have been there in the fossil records. It would have been there manifested multiple times throughout life, but it's not. In fact, you can continue this to its extreme and say it may be that intelligence is just the right thing to have to render yourself